Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. This time, I'll be giving you the third part 3 of this sinful background according to the Bible. And welcome to the Bible Falsehood Exposer. Last time, I had discussed to you that Paul actually indeed is a liar, because at one time he was asked whether who he was. He said, I am a Jew. But after some time, when he was asked, are you a Roman? He said, yes. So, what is the truth actually? He is a Roman or he is a Jew? Meaning to say, this Paul actually is a liar. Okay, another verse that I'll be giving you is actually the 1 Corinthians 7:40. How do Paul thinks about his mission, about his message that he's giving to us every day? In 1 Corinthians 7:40, in this version, no, and I think that I have also the Spirit of God. He only thinks. Everybody thinks every now and then. Sometimes I think that I am also a king, but I am not. Sometimes I think I am also one of the wealthiest, but I am not. Sometimes I think I am the most handsome individual, but of course I'm not. Also, in this way, Paul also thinks that he has also the Spirit of God. In another version, it says, and it seems to me that I have the Spirit of God. It's only according to him. He feels that, and he thinks that he has the Spirit of God. But to tell you the truth, he has not the Spirit of God. I'll give you the proof later. However, I think I am obeying God's Spirit. He thinks also that he is obeying God's Spirit. This is in the CEV version. Also, ERV, the woman is up here. No? This, in my opinion, I believe that I have the Spirit, the God's Spirit. No? In my opinion. This is according only to him. Very, very sad, my friend. Anyway, first, just have this in mind. I think that I have the Spirit of God. And we'll see later as to the what's that? How this will come up on the future verses that we are going to do. Another verse in the Romans 2:16, that after thinking that he has the Spirit of God, he says, according to my gospel. The gospel that he is giving to us is actually according to his own, and it is not from anywhere else. In the other version in here, good news of which I am preacher. In another version in here, in the King James Version, according to my gospel. In the Revised Version, according to my gospel. This is really how Paul do it. All his teaching is actually from his own. When Jesus said, I said it, the words that came from my mouth is not from me, it is from the Father. But in here, it is brutally accepted by Paul that this is from his own. Another verse that I'll be discussing is Romans 16:25. Now to him that is able to establish you according to my gospel. According to my gospel. In here, in the ERV, it is here, make you strong in faith. He can use the God's news that I teach you. That I teach you strong. In King James Version, he said here, according to my gospel. This is really the real Paul. Another verse that I'll be giving you is that 1 Timothy 2:8, that remember Jesus Christ risen from the dead, of the seed of David according to my gospel. From whose gospel? According to his gospel. It is not from Christ. It is not from God. That is according to his gospel. I do not know where he took this gospel. In the King James Version, it says here, according to my gospel. For the Tagalog speaking, it said here, ayon sa aking ebanghelyo. Ayon sa aking ebanghelyo. This is all from Paul. And I am pretty sure everybody knows who really Paul was for as of now. Another verse that I'll be giving you, whether that teaching which is come from him is really from God or not. In 2 Corinthians 11:17, it is said here, that which I speak it not after the Lord. Not after the Lord. In here, not by the order of the Lord. In the CEV version, no? When I do all this bragging, I do it as a fool and not from the Lord. You see? It's all not from the Lord. I am not talking the way the Lord would talk. This is the other version. In the King James Version, it is here, I speak it not after the Lord. In the Revised Version, I speak not after the Lord. This is very clear, my friend. This is very clear. That Paul actually uses his own gospel and it is not from the Lord. And want to emphasize more when he said here, but by foolishness. No? But as a foolish person. Not from the Lord at the same time. No? As a fool. Not from the Lord and but like as a fool. This is really how Paul do it. But as a foolishness in the confidence of boasting, the confidence of glorifying. I speak not after the Lord. This is very pretty clear as to the message that Paul is giving you. You know, again, I will ask you, is this after the conversion or before the conversion? I do believe this is now after the conversion. So before, clearly, Paul accepted that before the conversion, he was the persecutor. He wants to destroy the followers of the Lord. But now, this time, even after the conversion, he speaks not after the Lord. Okay, I'll go forward and looking forward to the next episode. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.